This is XM700, and this is just a next stage on how to import a CSV file, rename a file, and delete some of the files in the XM700. So just a bit of maintenance on the file management. So to delete files, you go into your file management, then go to marking files, and then across the top there you've got three options. The one on the right hand side there is select all files. So if you click on the select all files, see the tick will go next to all of the file names. So if you press the cross key, what would happen? It would delete every file you got in there. So what you do is you need to untick the files that you want to keep in. So if you select a couple of the files, okay, and then if you press now the cross key, you'll see that it's deleted all of the other files that you haven't unticked. Okay, so that's your marking files. Now what we'll do is the same on the CSV files. So if you click on CSV, see how you've got a couple of CSV files in there. Same process, you've got the select all key there, or you can just manually just press one with a tick next to it, press the cross key, and that will delete that file. Okay, so you've done a little bit of file maintenance. Now you can go and import your the files that you want. So what you need to do is put your USB key in. So it's and then you click on your USB. And what we've got one CSV folder in there called new. Tick on it, and then you click on the CSV import. It's up the top there. And you'll see it say successfully imported. So what we'll do now, we know that's in there. You can double check to go to your CSV file logs, and you can see the one new CSV is in there. So what we need to do now is we want to put that in a new file and replace the old one so we can see the marking. So what we need to do is go into edit file. We can open file, and then we'll see all the files that we got in there. So we'll go into the CSV table test. Click on that, and as you can see in here, we've got CSV files here. So what we need to do is we need to replace them, because otherwise it's going to recall that one every time we run this CSV table test job. So we need to replace this one here. So you just need to go into that block and click on the folder next to it. This opens up your CSV directory. Click on the one that we want to put in there. And then we just now go out of that block, go to the next block, click on the folder, click on the CSV file, go out of that block, go to the next block, click on the folder. That's it. So once we've got all of those in there, I think that's the only ones. What we need to do is you can just save it, and it will save this into that file name. But if you want to keep the old file name, what we need to do is rename this one here. So click on it, and we can call this one test, or just rename it in anything. So now that is called CSV table new, and just press the save over the right hand side there. Now that file's saved, so if you go out of that now, and you go to do your marking, you click on the folder button up the top, and now you can see there's CSV table new, and now your job's ready to run.